Today, I'm going to explain how to clean and sanitize a Hoshizaki commercial ice machine safely and correctly. The exact procedure varies between models, so begin by finding the complete model number and reading the cleaning label or instruction manual attached to the machine. The sequence described here is based mainly on a Hoshizaki KM-series modular cuber, such as the KM-901. Cleaning and sanitizing are two different operations. Cleaning removes mineral scale, slime, and deposits from the water system. Sanitizing reduces microorganisms on the clean surfaces. Cleaning solution is not a substitute for sanitizer, and sanitizer will not remove a heavy mineral coating. Hoshizaki recommends cleaning and sanitizing the ice machine at least once a year. More frequent service may be needed when the water contains large amounts of minerals, the machine operates in a dirty environment, local food safety rules require it, or the ice remains unused in the storage bin for long periods. Before starting, obtain the cleaner and sanitizer specified for your model. Hoshizaki scale away is recommended for many KM machines. Wear liquid-resistant gloves and safety goggles, follow the chemical labels, and never mix cleaning chemicals. Do not use ammonia-based cleaners. Never mix chlorine bleach with acids, ice machine cleaner, vinegar, or any other product. Dangerous gases can be produced. Turn the machine off and remove the front panel. Allow the machine to complete any required harvest step according to the manual, then move the control switch to the off position. Remove all ice from the storage bin and discard it. Do not serve ice that was inside the machine during cleaning or sanitizing. If the bin has its own electrical supply or dispensing mechanism, isolate it as directed by the manufacturer. Wash the storage bin liner, door, scoop, and accessible food zone surfaces with warm water and a neutral cleaner. Remove slime and visible residue with a soft cloth or a suitable nylon brush. Do not use steel wool or abrasive tools that could scratch the surfaces. Scratches provide places where dirt and microorganisms can collect. Rinse the cleaned surfaces thoroughly. Inspect the water hoses, spray tubes, cube guides, and other removable food zone parts. Components with heavy mold, cracking, permanent staining, or deterioration may need to be replaced rather than simply wiped. The next step is cleaning the internal water circuit. On an older KM-901 hours series machine, the water tank is commonly drained by disconnecting the specified end of the pump hose. Reconnect the hose as soon as the tank is empty. Move the control switch to the ice position briefly to refill the water tank. On the KM-901 procedure, the machine is normally allowed to fill for approximately 3 minutes before being switched off again. Remove the insulation panel to access the water tank. For the compatible KM-901 procedure, Hoshizaki specifies 14 fluid ounces, or approximately 414 milliliters, of scale away. Do not copy this quantity to a different Hoshizaki model. Other machines may require a different amount or a diluted solution. Open the cleaning valve completely. On many older KM machines, the handle is vertical and parallel with the valve body when open. This allows the solution to circulate through the inside of the evaporator. Wait for the period specified in the manual, which may include a short delay to control foaming. Move the control switch to the wash position and reinstall the panels needed to prevent splashing. Allow the cleaning solution to circulate for approximately 30 minutes. Never operate the pump in wash mode with an empty water tank, and do not leave the machine unattended while its protective panels are removed. After circulation, switch the machine off and drain the cleaning solution from the water tank. In severe water conditions, the manual may require removal and separate cleaning of components such as the float switch, cube guides, spray tubes, water supply tubes, and spray guides. This deeper disassembly should be performed by a qualified ice machine technician. The cleaning solution must now be rinsed out. Close the cleaning valve and place the control switch in the ice position long enough to refill the water tank. Switch the machine off, reopen the cleaning valve, and run the wash cycle with clean water. On the older KM-901 procedure, this rinse circulation lasts approximately 5 minutes. Drain the water completely. Follow every rinse required by the manual. Newer Hoshizaki control systems may perform several rinses automatically, while older machines require the filling, washing, and draining steps to be repeated manually. Do not begin sanitizing until the cleaner has been completely rinsed away. To sanitize the machine, refill the water tank with fresh water and add the precise amount of approved sanitizer listed for the model and sanitizer concentration. For example, One older KM-901 hour series manual specifies approximately 0.78 fluid ounces, or 23 milliliters, of plain 8.25% sodium hypochlorite solution. Newer manuals may specify a different amount because household bleach concentrations have changed. Use regular unscented bleach with no additives only when the manual specifically allows it. Do not estimate the quantity. Open the cleaning valve and circulate the sanitizing solution for the full time specified in the manual. Depending on the model, this may be around 15 to 45 minutes. Sanitize the bin, scoop, door, and other food zone components as well. Use the correct sanitizer concentration and contact time, then rinse only when required by the product label and machine instructions. After sanitizing, complete every required freshwater rinse. Drain the tank fully after each rinse. When the process is finished, close the cleaning valve completely. This step is essential. On many KM machines, the compressor will not operate when the cleaning valve remains open. Reinstall the pump hose, insulation panel, base cover, front panel, fasteners, and all removed components. Make sure no screws or small parts have fallen into the storage bin. Restore the water and electrical supplies, then return the control switch to the normal ice making position. Watch the first operating cycle and check for leaks, unusual sounds, or warning codes. Discard the first batches of newly produced ice according to the manual or local sanitation requirements. Finally, keep the machine clean between major services. Wash the scoop daily, inspect washable air filters regularly, clean the bin and exterior, maintain the external water filtration system, and avoid allowing old ice to remain unused for long periods. To summarize, remove and discard the ice, clean the bin and removable parts, circulate the approved descaling solution, rinse it out completely, circulate the correctly measured sanitizer, complete all required rinses, and close the cleaning valve before returning the machine to normal operation. Because quantities, switch positions, rinse cycles, and sanitizer concentrations vary, always use the instructions for the exact Hoshizaki model rather than relying on one universal cleaning procedure.